Every day, we entrust our most sensitive data to the digital void. But how does a password actually stay safe on its journey across the internet? Every second, billions of data packets traverse the globe. This vast digital highway forms the backbone of our modern world. But in the shadows, someone might be watching. But even if intercepted, the data remains utterly useless. Without the decryption key, it is just white noise, protected by advanced mathematics. Before sharing any sensitive data, your browser and the website establish a secure connection. This creates a protected tunnel for your information. To protect your information, HTTPS initiates a complex encryption process. This transforms your readable password into an unbreakable string of characters. This encrypted packet traverses the global internet backbone. Moving through routers and vast data centers, its contents remain completely hidden. Observed by many, only the destination server holds the correct private key to unlock this data. The information is safely decrypted. The server prepares the response. Before it leaves, it is encrypted again, ensuring the return journey is just as secure, protecting your data every step of the way. Upon arrival, the browser uses its private key to decrypt the response, completing the secure handshake. Billions of connections are quietly protected by HTTPS encryption, keeping our global digital world secure and trusted.